Have you ever found yourself watching a brilliant technical talk on any video platform, wishing there was a magic button to turn on captions? Or maybe you're listening to an English podcast to improve your listening skills, but the speaker is just a bit too fast, and you find yourself constantly hitting that back 15 seconds button. Or even worse, you're in an international online meeting on a platform that has zero accessibility features, and you're struggling to catch every word. Or think about this. You're sitting in the back of a huge university lecture hall. Your professor has a thick accent, the room's acoustics are terrible, and you're frantically trying to scribble down notes while deciphering what was just said. You're terrified of missing that one key concept that's definitely going to be on the final exam. Instead of panic recording the whole hour and hoping for the best later, imagine having a real-time scrolling transcript right on your laptop screen, keeping you synced with every word of the lesson. Well, what if I told you that the solution to all of these problems is already sitting on your computer? It's completely free, and it doesn't even need an internet connection to work. Today, we are test driving one of the most underrated features in Windows 11, live captions. It's a game changer for language learners, remote workers, and anyone who wants to read the internet. Let's dive in and see how it actually performs. Section 1. The offline brain, setup, and the first test. Okay, let's get our hands dirty. First thing first, we are going to trigger the secret feature. No need to go hunting in the Microsoft Store. Just hit this shortcut. Win, Control, L. You can take L as the initial of language, if that's easier for you to keep that in mind. Boom. See that? That clean gray bar at the top is our magic tool. Now, the first time you do this, Windows will ask you to download a speech pack. Go ahead and hit download. It takes just a few seconds. But here's the kicker. This is probably the last time you'll ever need an internet connection for this. Check this out. Wi-Fi's disabled. I am 100% offline. Now, let's play a local video. Elon Musk speaks at World Economic Forum, which I recorded earlier, and see what happens. Oh, look at that. Can you believe it? Zero internet, yet it's catching every single word without a hint of lag. That is just insane. Everything is being processed locally on your CPU. No data privacy worries, just pure, smooth performance. Section 2. Multi-language test. Now, if this only worked for English, it'd be cool, but not game-changing. Let's turn up the heat and try a multi-language test. Let's head into settings and add Chinese, Japanese, and maybe some German. First, let's try a fast-paced Chinese talk show.
凤凰传奇说他们就怕什么？就怕被别人误解，就说歌红人不红，很悲催。我觉得你不要担心，我这儿还有歌不红人不红的，这儿还有歌不红人不红，打人也不红的。
Wow, impressive. Even with casual, fast-paced Mandarin, the phrasing is spot on. Okay, how about Japanese? Let's pull up some raw anime without any subs.
まさか俺たちがもう一度同じチームで戦うことになるなんてね。
よう、久しぶりなのだよ。
思ったより再開早かったっすね、紫バラッチ。
Sugoi. For language learners, this is the ultimate raw content decoder. Okay, let's try some German program.
Ich meine, wie tief sollen sie denn noch in den Keller rauschen, die Beliebtheitswerte? Das gibt's doch gar nicht. Es kann doch nicht wahr sein.
See, it also works well. It doesn't matter if your professor has a thick accent, or if you're watching a niche foreign documentary. Live Captions just handles it. This is a literal lifesaver for students. Section 3 also works for microphone audio. Here is the ultimate hidden play. Check this box that says Include Microphone Audio. This means it won't just hear your computer, it'll hear you.
Machine learning algorithms analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. A significant milestone was achieved in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov.
If you're practicing your speaking skills, it will transcribe your voice in real time. Bingo! You just got yourself a free speaking coach. Section 4. Pro Mode. Saving the subs. Now, a lot of you are probably thinking, Jack, this is great, but the captions disappear as soon as the video ends. Can I save them? Well, Windows doesn't have a Save as TXT button just yet. But since we're geeks, we've got workarounds. The first method is perfect if you just want a visual record of what was said. We're going to use the built-in Windows snipping tool. Forget third-party screen recorders. Just hit Win plus Shift plus S. See that little camera icon at the top? Click that to switch to video mode. Now just draw a box around the caption window itself. Hit Start, and boom! You're recording just the subtitles. It's perfect for creating a quick video reference of a lecture or a meeting without recording your entire messy desktop. But if you're like me and you want actual text, like a searchable TXT file, then you need this. I've found an awesome open source tool on GitHub that's specifically designed to log these live captions. I've dropped the link in the description below. It's completely free and runs right alongside Windows. It captures the stream and saves every word into a clean TXT file locally on your machine. Think about the power of this. You finish a 1-hour lecture and you instantly have a full text transcript ready for your notes or to feed into an AI for a summary. That is a massive productivity win. Real-world hustle, use cases. To wrap things up, let me show you a few of my favorite ways to use this that will absolutely level up your productivity. The silent office. You're at the office, you forgot your headphones, but you need to check a video? Just mute the sound and turn on live captions. It's like reading your videos. The universal meeting. Attending a Zoom call where the host forgot to turn on captions? No biggie. Live captions is system-wide, so it forces subtitles onto any act you're using. The lecture hall. Or if you're in a massive classroom and the professor is way too far from the mic, use your laptop mic to pick up the audio and let live captions be your personal stenographer. Honestly, guys, this is a massive AI gift from Windows 11 that most people are just ignoring. It's fast, it's private, and it's free. If you haven't tried it, hit Win plus Control plus L right now and see for yourself. All right, that's it for today's test drive. If this tip helped you out, give that like button some love and hit subscribe. I'm Jack X, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.